that you were once sitting, but now you're standing, so you're now being elevated. But now you're back to back. That's engagement.
Hi, my name is Ebenezer, but you can call me Ab. It's my nickname. And the answer to the question, what's the most impactful or important thing in REAP, to me personally, is the opportunities that I have. You can start your own business. They got Yelp for that. You could do internships. You gotta be a little older, but and they got many different paths for you. That you don't have to settle into one. It's not like specific grouping, go this one, you got a variety of options that you want to go to. And this is honestly just really like important and big. It's like they got all these options for you and it's just too much.
I feel like the two biggest struggles in high school are academically and emotionally, because all the struggle and stress that high school puts on you makes it hard for you to learn in that environment, and the people around you also makes it hard. One other struggle is subtle racism. The fact of knowing that people are saying rude things behind your back can make it hard to be in a good learning environment and help you learn.
My name is Yamra Arage. I go to Kelang Middle School, and the biggest opportunities I got from REAP so far is the opportunities to make memories with my friends and like some new friends, just spend time with people that I enjoy being with and give me a happy time. They support your business and coming to big events and getting inspiration from people who came from a hard background and still be able to become something that most normal people couldn't be, and giving me advice, and it really encourages me to see people showing their business and promoting their businesses, and it really inspires me to take a deeper path in REAP.
When I first joined REAP, I was a little hesitant because I didn't think it was all that, but somebody convinced me to join. They convinced me otherwise, and at first I was like, okay, no, it was whatever. But after a little bit, I started coming back every single day because it was just too much, After a little bit, I got to know more about it, and it was just on a whole different level. So to somebody that wants to join REAP, I'm gonna say, just go ahead and do it right now, because I promise you, sooner or later, you're gonna find something you want to do. And by the time you find out later, you're gonna regret it, because there was one last year and I didn't really sign up, and I regret it because there's probably a lot more opportunities then.
I am very proud of not giving up in society, even though many people try and get young women like me to give up. But I'm proud of myself for trying over and over again, even though I have failed many times. I'm just really proud of not giving up.
I'm proud that I have enough courage to do things that I usually would be scared to do, like coming to this event. When I was younger, I wouldn't be able to because I was just I had too much anxiety. And now, growing up, I have enough courage to do things that I wouldn't be able to do.
What inspired me to pursue my career and my goals is that I've gone through a journey in my life, and I believe that it's important to share your journey with others so that they can be successful, they can pursue their dreams, and they can always be inspired, and remember to never ever quit.
What inspired me, I would say REAP. REAP really inspired me as a young student. I just always loved going to REAP events, seeing Black professionals, seeing people of color professionals, seeing women, just doing what I wanted to do in the future. And that really made me very excited for what was to come. And I think they really motivated me a lot. Also, I would say a summer camp that I was in for business students, that was also very fun to do. It was very inspiring, and it made me just want to be a leader when I grow up. I've always wanted to be a leader, and I think that was really what pushed me to pursue that career in marketing.
Well, I have my bachelor's in public health. I have my master's in education of equity and social justice. And so to wrap that all up, I've always been in the nonprofit sector. My mother actually is the chief executive officer. She has really helped me understand what it means to be in a professional capacity. And so being exposed to that from a young age, I have always had the passion to always advocate for girls, always wanting to just make sure I use my voice when they felt like they were unable to use their own, and also bring them along to whatever fight they're wanting to accomplish.
I was born and raised in Portland, Oregon. This is my community. I was drug affected when I was born. My mom was a heroin addict. I was in foster care, but I got returned or reunited with my mother when I was a year and a half. A lot of times when people think about the life experiences that I had early on, I think that people think that we are going to amount to nothing. So what I wanted to do is prove society wrong. I also believe in giving back and reaching back, and so that's what I'm committed to doing. My commitment also to my mother is to doing all that I can because of her journey, because I wouldn't be here if it weren't for her.
Young women could achieve success in their career path by honestly getting a mentor if they have the ability to do so. Someone that's able to stick by them, advocate for them, use their resources, and be that person that's going to take a risk for them to step into whatever room they need to be in so they're able to learn more about whatever position they want to pursue. Just be yourself, be bold. Forget what it means to be quote unquote professional, because that of itself is already changing and maneuvering day by day. You have something special to bring, and so continue to put yourself in uncomfortable spaces. Bring along your friends that are also wanting to learn and be a part of the conversation, and just continue to be the best you can be.
I think women can achieve success by using their resources, networking, and being themselves. I think one thing that really helped me to stand out and to feel confident in the path that I'm going to is meeting people who look like me, who can inspire me to do those same things, as well as finding people who can mentor me, challenging myself to step out. I would say one thing, if you're in middle school, high school, or even college, like always look out for resources and people who can connect you to certain other people. I think that helps you feel more confident in the path that you're going on.
Go with your passion, go with your heart, go with what makes you the happiest and what makes the most impact in your life so that you can also be an impact in the lives of others.